Okay, girls, let's solve question H of your test. So this says negative 21 over 50 divided by 7 over 10. So you know how to divide fractions, and you know that what you have to do is stay, change, flip. So the first one stays, negative 21 over 50. Just remember that I recommend that you always write your sign on the denominator, because if you put it like how it's written down here, sometimes you can get confused and think that it's a continuation of the vinculum. So just be mindful of that, and I recommend that you always put it in the denominator. So change, stay, change to multiplication, flip. 10 over 7. So with this one, I'm not going to explain why when we're multiplying we can cancel. I'm just going to go straight into it. So I'm going to write it. Negative 21 times 10 over 5 over 50 times 7. So I'm going to start canceling. I can see that 10, I can divide it by 10 and becomes 1, and 50 divided by 10 is 5. And then 21 divided by 7 is 3, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. Therefore, my answer is going to be negative 3 over 5. And as easy as that, instead of having to have 210 over 350 and then trying to cancel out and simplify. So there you go. Very, very simple. Let's do another one. Insert. Okay, let's do question M. So here we have two mixed numbers, and we are going to divide them. So to do that, the first operation that we have to do is to change these mixed numbers into improper fractions. So to do that, I have to do 8 times 4, which is 32, plus 3 is equal to 35 over 4, divided by 1 times 12 is 12, plus 2 is 14 over 12. And then I am going to do a stay, change, flip. So 35 over 4, change times, flip 12 over 14. And then I'm going to write it as 35 times 12 over 4 times 14. And then we're going to start canceling up. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. And 14 divided by 7 is 2. Because I've been doing this for a very long time, girls, like I have a very good eye to trying to identify which factors to use. If you can't see them as straight away, it's a good idea to write the possible factors as what I did in the first example, trying to explain it and trying to write it in terms of prime factors, and then it will become very easy which ones are you canceling up. But otherwise, it's a good idea to trying to find those factors and trying to develop that eye to identify those factors which you can use so you can cancel up and simplify your fractions. So then I have 12 and 4, so 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. Therefore, my answer is going to be 5 times 3, 15 over 2, because 1 times 2 is 2, and then this becomes 7 and a half. Okay, I'm not explaining how I'm doing this. There are other videos to explain how I got from here to here. If you have questions about that, let me know, but I'm just trying to keep this video simple. Wonderful, girls. Thank you.